Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Hey, we're talking fire extinguishers today and a must to have in your household. And in today's video, we're going to show you how we mount our brand new fire extinguishers on the wall. Let's get started. DIYers making our way to the workstation, and on the left hand side is the box that contains two brand new water-based fire extinguishers, and that is one of my favorite parts or favorite designs or features of this fire extinguisher. Again, water-based. Additional info: it fights 4 types of initial fires, class A, B, C, and K. And when purchasing a fire extinguisher, you do not want one that really only fights one class. You want one that fights them all. And again, we are going to, in this video, show you how to mount the actual fire extinguisher on the wall. Next, what I did was set the box aside and grab some additional info. I went ahead and opened up the hardware, which contains 2 drywall anchors and 2 screws. I've grabbed 2 drill bits, and the smaller of the 2 is on the left hand side. That's a 3/16, and the larger on the right, which is a 13/64, and a stud finder. Down below in the comments and description will be links to all of these. Making our way to the kitchen, and the first one we're going to install will go inside our pantry, and we're going to loop to the back side here and install it right there. Camera now positioned inside the pantry, looking directly at the location we are going to mount that fire extinguisher. And again, in the event that you screw into a stud, you will not actually need those drywall anchors. However, in our case, we're very confident that we will. And I'm going to press the stud finder flush with the wall, engage the little button, calibrate it, and begin to move it. And again, I do not anticipate a stud being in this location, as you see. And I'll move it carefully, keeping it flush with the wall all the way until I find a stud. There's the stud. So this entire section right here is hollow wall. We will need those drywall anchors. Next, bringing the entire fire extinguisher in and positioning it with the mount, and just basically giving a dry run of where I want this exactly positioned as far as height and location in between the frame and the shelf. And I like it right there. Again, you can carefully position the mount against the wall, pull up the extinguisher and remove it, set it in a safe location, grab a pencil and make your marks. Time to drill. Coming in with the drill, just be careful. I'm going to align the tip of the bit on the upper pencil marking, and no need to rush this, just go slow. Set the drill aside, use the drywall anchor, and see if it goes in. And it's just a little too small for the anchor to go inside. I will grab the 13/64 bit, and it did just that. And again, go slow, no need to rush this. I've widened the hole, and go ahead and carefully insert the drywall anchor, and that's a perfect fit. You don't want it too loose, but you definitely don't want it too tight where you're pushing the drywall anchor in and you end up cracking the surrounding area of drywall. Not good. From here, I will carefully use a hammer to tap the drywall anchor in until that head is flush with the wall. And a quick little dry run of the mount, and get a good view of it, ensure that it is level, and if all looks good, continue on by drilling that second hole so we can secure the mount with the screws. Coming in with the mount and the screw, and I'm going to secure the upper one first, and don't tighten it all the way until you get the lower screw in. And from here, carefully move this side to side. You do have a little bit of play, as you see, to ensure that it is level. And I'm going to tighten the bottom one and the top. Do not over tighten these DIYers, but you want them snug for sure. From here, just lower the bottle in place, as you see, right there. And again, we've got 2 of them. This is the first of the 2. We will install the second one at a different location. Check that out. There are the 2 screws securing the mount. How cool is that? We love it. We have now left the kitchen, and I do want to show you the second location where we installed the second fire extinguisher. And DIYers, very important to have a second fire extinguisher installed somewhere other than where the first one is, because let's be honest, in the event that the fire inside the kitchen near the stove or wherever the fire is too dangerous and big to get to, or in other words, I cannot get into the pantry and get the first fire extinguisher, I want a second option, and here it is. Next thing we are going to do is make a review video, which is down below in the comments and description, on this fire blanket. Definitely a huge asset to your kitchen near your stove.